Hi everybody, it's Savannah and I am sending you all so much love. And today we are going to do an embellishment for our junk journals. They're so cute and they're so easy. I had ordered a bunch of these little hair rubber bands to do different designs, and then I have dark hair, so even though these are clear, they still show up, and I got like 500 of them for like a couple dollars or something. And I came across a video to make these cute little shabby chic flowers, and they're so easy. Like it's amazing how easy these things are, and they just look really cute. And so then these can be really great embellishments, especially like for the top of a journal. They're a little fluffy maybe for inside a journal because they are kind of thick if you put a button on it, but I love them. I hope you're all doing well. Today is the 100-day project. It's number 10. I think we're on day 10. And I'm having so much fun with it and getting so many ideas. And this is another one that I wanted to try. And I really encourage you all to follow along because you get to just discover new things, especially if it's not something you've done or made before. So let me show you. Now this video comes from A Little Bit Shabby Chic. It's an older video. It's 9 years old. But that's one thing that's great about YouTube is, you know, you put stuff out there and unless you take it down, it's pretty much there forever. So I just kind of did a really rough, almost 4-inch circle on some just thin cardstock, chipboard, whatever. It's really thin. And what you do, oh, I don't have enough of those, is you cut out circles. And I did a really rough cut because you can come back in at the end and do it. And these are one-sided. So you take 4 or 5 circles. So let's go. And the thinner the fabric is better. It's 3, 4. We'll just do 5 here. And like I said, these are so easy. And then you take a little button. I tried to do it to like, oh, that one's a pretty one. It's so hard for me to use buttons because I like them. To use them, but I'm going to use clear ones because I don't do a lot with clear buttons. But even though it's a big circle, you take a small button, and the smaller the button, the bigger the flower, the bigger button, smaller flower. So I'll just do one with a small one here, and you just take it and you put it in the middle, and then you wrap this around it. It's so easy, and I love it. I love being able to make a cute flower super easy. And then you take one of your little rubber bands. I suppose you could probably do string, and you start wrapping it around it, and you get it really tight. Oops. And I love this. There's no sewing. There's no gluing unless you want to glue a button in the middle, which I did. I did a little pearl on this one. So, and you get it in the middle, and then you just kind of start opening it up. And you just pull them, go around it and go down the layers and kind of pull them to fluff them up and wrinkle them and just kind of move them around. And the more you do that, you can even like maybe twist them. Yeah, you just want to like mess with it. I'm just kind of pulling one and twisting the bottom. And then taking the bottom and just twisting it. And you get it fluffy. And you get all these little curls in here. And you have a cute little flower. That's simple. And then if there's little adjustments you want to make, you can just kind of come in and maybe, you know, maybe cut the top layer a little bit smaller to create some layers. And you could probably do some layered ones too. This is just the how it was. And then if you want, oops, so like these two are wrapping up together, so I'm just going to twist those opposite. And then you just have a cute little flower that can go on top of your journal. And then, like I said, if you want to you can put a button. This one I did a pearl. If you have a button that you want to put in the middle, you can do that. I really like the pearl. Or I have these little flowers I've done before. I can layer that on top. So you could do something like that. Or I have these, and these were done simply with little bows. I could do like that. And then you can just take your glue. You want to make sure you don't get too much glue where the rubber band might be, because it could melt it. And then I can just take one of my little pearls. I think I'm going to do a little bit smaller pearl on this one. And they look cute without embellishing it. I just want to show you some different ideas. So there you have two cute little buttons. I mean, little shabby chic style flowers that are super, super simple and easy to make. Let's see, I have these. Oh, actually some of these are bigger. I'm gonna actually take 2 layers and I'm just gonna trim around them and make them smaller and see what happens if we do some, oops. And like I said, because they get moved around so much, it doesn't have to be a perfect. So let's go. Let's see what this looks like. It might not work. That's 4 layers, and then I think this 5th layer is even maybe bigger. So we kind of have like almost 3 different sizes here. I hope you're all doing really well. We're getting cold, wintry weather here. Let's see. Here's just a little button. And then get my little rubber band. Aren't these cute and simple? And you can get these at I'm pretty sure the Dollar Tree carries these also, these little hair bands. Now she called them hair or looms, which I don't know what that trend was that she was talking about, but in the video. So I'm just gonna take and twist around, and then the next layer. And then the next layer. But I just was like, oh, I have these and I haven't gotten rid of them. And I wasn't necessarily looking for something to do with them. This is one of the videos I was wanting to try to make. I think I'm gonna, in the next couple of videos, do some different embellishments, because I really love having embellishments to go into the journals and having them made up. And oh, look at that. That one looks really cute. How that has twisted around. So cute. I kind of like the smaller size. The smaller size seems to like get a little fluffier. I'm gonna cut this down. But yeah, a couple of years ago, I spent some time and made some flowers, and I kind of worked through that stash. So, and it's always fun to get new ideas. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, super quick, simple, easy one. A lot of bang for your buck, because obviously you can use up some scraps for this. There we go. and I'm gonna leave that one. So let's see. Nothing to really write on for this one, but I've got the little videos. So let me show you. Like if you wanted to do a shabby chic topper, you could do that. Actually, what I think I can do to put it, well, it's going to be too big for the journal, so I'm just going to maybe put one on top here. I really like this one with the smaller one. 2 smaller circles and then some bigger circles. I really like that. I like how it's laying up, or it's folding up on itself. So cute. I mean, that's it, guys. Like, it doesn't need to be a long video today because it's just that cute and that simple. So I'm really happy that I got to share that with you. And let's just take a moment and let me just say a prayer for everyone today. Today, my prayer for all of you is that your creativity flourishes, that you are inspired to create with the Creator, and that your daydreams come true. And that is my prayer for all of you. Remember, you are loved. Until next time, love always, Savannah.